Okay, another beautiful floor by Peninsula Floating Floors. It's far from finished, but I'm kind of at a point now. I've got to wait 10 days to order some stair nose and whatnot. But I was pretty excited by the fact this is my third colour out of the series of 14 called Bedrock. I'm still discovering this product. I thought they would have scanned 30 pieces of oak and just reproduced sets with the same planks and just different shades. No, they haven't. They've scanned 30 unique planks per set. So this is Bedrock. It's so realistic. They've used the resin fills and it's so clever. I mean, I'm looking at it now and I cannot tell that's not oak. It's ridiculous. So I thought I'd do a quick video and then I'll update it. Like I say, we're going to put the stairs in. We're a bit undecided if to box them off or float them, but we're definitely floating them now. So I'm going to meet the builder today and we'll just come up with the dimensions. So it's going to be perfect. So a quick look around. I've still got to cork the fireplace. This is my little helper, Tango here. Aren't you, mate? My little helper. He's been keeping me company. Yeah, so we've undercut around the stairs. Just need a tiny little bit of cork maybe to sort that out. So yeah, the stairs are going to be faced and sanded and stained again, I would imagine. New windows going in, new slider, so we've left the row out there. Into the kitchen, of course, fridge, gone right under the cooker. Dishwasher as usual. The kickers are off, which is brilliant. Nice tight undercuts. This door's going to be replaced, so when that's fixed, we put an L in there. Nice aluminium L trim. Cork around the dish. This dishwasher's never coming out. Sorry, the washing machine's never coming out, so we'll cork around there. Fridge, so yeah, about 80 metres, I think it was. But have a look at some of these details. This is what fools everybody. It's the fact the fills have been scanned and reproduced. I mean, this design, it's an exact replication of real planks. Like I say, the whole pattern is such high resolution, you have no idea the difference. It's so clever the way they, I mean, normally you wouldn't want to put, I don't know, normally maybe you'd leave some of the fills, but that's the realism where the knots are. Obviously, this is just how the oak planks are. Again, with this product, they've used 190 wide, just like oak, and they've gone for the 220s, which is, well, 2,200 millimeters. So yeah, they look really classy. I'm really happy. I really like this colour. Every time I see a new colour, I really like it. But this is nice because you get good contrast with if you've got white walls or light coloured walls, and you actually get a nice contrast. And you can see it goes well with furniture. So yeah, really happy, and hopefully I'll come back when all the skirts are on and it's all kind of complete. New windows, it's stunning. So yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.